Open ABCproxy client. Select country, region and city, filter IPs. All these IPs are available, just find one. Forward port to proxy. Select a port. Find the IP in the today list just now. Go to the port forwarding list. Find this IP and copy it. Open Undetectable browser. Log in directly if you have an account. Register first if you don't have an account. Click New. Fill in the name, such as ABCproxy. Then click Save. Select New Proxy. Select SOCKS as the proxy type. Paste the IP you just copied. Check the proxy. The connection is successful. Click Save. Click Run. Enter the URL to view the local IP. It's easy to see. The local IP is the same as the one extracted from ABCproxy. Compare. Thank you for watching.